about the damage that we do. Cause I was going down, but I was doing it with you. Yeah, everything we broke and all the trouble that we made. But
Hi, hi guys. Today I'm playing this game and I'm gonna be showing you how I made all of these items if I can remember. Okay, so to make pressure, I think you are supposed to do air and air. Yeah, that makes pressure. To make angel, I'm pretty sure it's air and human. If you want to know my real name, my real name is Trinity Wrecker. Okay, air and human make nothing. Okay, I will figure out how to do that. Hold on. Let me just find some stuff. I think it was maybe, I don't remember how I made it. Wait, I can actually check here. Okay, to make an angel, you need a bird and a human. That's how I'm gonna show you guys how to make stuff. Okay, first off, to make air, you are going to, hold on. Oh wait, the air was just there. Okay, anyways, to make animal, you're going to need life plus land. I'm going to get and how to make life in a little bit. Aquarium is just water plus glass plus fish. Water, glass, or glass fish. That's all you have to do. To do ash, you're gonna need fire plus plant. And the atmosphere is air and planet. You're already gonna have air, don't worry, you don't have to make it. The beach is like sea plus sand, or like anything else that's water. To make a bee, you need animal and a flower. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you guys right now. Bye!